as everyone said, I'm Mitch Karren, Chief Product Officer at ElevateOS. If you're actually unfamiliar with our brand, we rebranded a couple months ago from Elevated Living. So we operated under that name for a while. So why did we rebrand? I want to emphasize that we created the industry first and only community operating system. So you may be asking us, what is that? That program is, there we go. That is essentially combining end-to-end software and services, which is a very unique offering in the industry. A lot of people either do one or the other. We offer end-to-end resident experience software plus on-site services. So let's first look at what is at a property, their property stack. You have your property management system as the base layer, and then you've got engagement, operations, services, and hardware. You may have 15, 20 plus point solutions operating a property. This is very costly, it can be frustrating for the residents and the staff, and it's extremely inefficient. So what do? We come in and we basically eliminate a lot of these solutions with our platform. What this leads to is a reduction in the point solutions, so operating efficiency increasements. We can increase your NOI by upwards of $23 a unit a month, and we can increase your renewal rates. So what does this look like from like a resident experience perspective? So you've got all these point solutions, all these apps. A resident could have all these apps on a phone, really frustrating to set up. It leads to app fatigue. So we eliminate all those and put everything under one resident super app. This super app is branded to your property or branded to your portfolio and includes everything end to end from move in to move out. We also created a manager super app as well. So we're not just covering the resident experience, we're also covering a lot of operations. Let's dive a little bit into the features themselves. Our flagship product is our engagement module. This handles everything from move-in checklists to signing up with resident groups, engaging with other residents, booking amenity reservations, gift cards, loyalty, rewards programs, and a lot more. We have an operations module. This lets residents create work orders, chat with PM, and complete their move-in and move-out inspections. On the flip side, the staff also complete maintenance tasks, chat with the residents, and do their own unit and property inspections. We have a concierge tool that allows the staff to handle package intake, package delivery, guest lists, key logs, incident reports. We also integrate all the hardware that's on site. So your access control systems, your smart home systems like Rentley, your package lockers, thermostats, everything. Instead of, you may have multiple different systems at different properties. The nice thing is we integrate all of these under one app, so it's a really seamless experience for the resident. As I mentioned in the beginning, we are a technology and services company. So while we offer software, we also offer a lot of on-site services such as housekeeping, handyman, and we can even manage all of your events. And so this is a really powerful part of our system is that we also do surveys and online reputation. So whether there's an event that we throw for you, whether the resident booked a great service or did a maintenance request, we will send them a simple one-tap survey. If it's a positive review, we'll then send them out to Google, Yelp, Apartments.com. So this boosts your online reputation. So everything you saw is live. It's available today. What's next? We've been heavily investing in, as you can guess, AI. I made a deal with Patrick earlier that I'd say AI once. Totally nailed it, right? I get free drinks at the open bar later, right? That's the deal? Okay. So first up is our Copilot system. So Copilot aggregates all tasks, reviews, approvals that a property manager, leasing agent, or anybody in between or above needs to handle. It's a really simple task list. They can be enhanced if you have to write a review or a comment back to a resident. We enhance it with AI. We can also set everything up on autoresponders. So if a great 4-star review comes in from Google or 5-star review comes in from Google, we can automate that response so it's legitimately full-on Copilot. Next up is our insights. This is essentially a global search for anybody on site or a corporate. They can search by resident, by unit, by property, by market, by portfolio. And instead of having to go grab data from a million different places, put it into a fancy report, simple search, boom, rich results and information. We're also going to create a resident sentiment profile and scorecard. This is super important. It not only looks at the resident's total spend, so are they a big spender in your property on services and other things, booking amenities. It also looks at their survey results. Are they engaging in the community? Are they attending events? Are they happy with the maintenance? And it gives them a renewal score. Are they at risk of renewing or not? And this ultimately leads to what I like to call the Holy Grail, which is our retention optimizer. So we're not just helping with retention, and we're not just predicting retention, but we're optimizing retention too. If your big spenders are at risk of leaving, then that's less income for you. So we want to help you optimize your retention, and this is all the great tools that we're providing. So look, there's a lot of what we went over. There's a lot more to talk about. Please come visit me after this. Conrad, our CEO, sitting right here. Come chat with us if you like what we saw. Let's make something happen. Thank you, guys.